Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm glad to say that today we have sent indeed a midweek analysis, but of course none of the signals were activated instead of AUDUSD, which actually has been indeed activated and so far running in around 20 pips of profit, and seems like it's going to continue even the fall more than that. So good signal. Of course, gold yesterday I have sent a deal to buy the gold from 2646, and as you can see the reversal was so accurate right here exactly, and it kept rising and hit the take profit level. But to be fair, we actually on Telegram have announced to close the signal with 175 pips of profit, but thankfully the signal kept rising indeed and hit the take profit level, making 340 pips of profit. Fantastic and excellent day for everybody in Xtreme Trader family. Now, regarding the pound USD, which is our deal of the day, of course, as you can see, I have even sent a signal to sell the pair, but it just went sharply and straight to the take profit level, so it hasn't been activated. So now, what's next with the pound USD? First of all, allow me please to delete the old signal, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So let's now move to the daily chart. Actually, even to the weekly chart, I would like to show you something. So right now here on the weekly chart, what we have right here, of course, is a real level of a resistance right here, exactly right there at 1.309. Now, it's important to mention that right here, of course, we had the key level of a resistance, which also has been respected like a month ago. Remember, this is the weekly chart. So each candle represents the whole week. So last month, indeed, that level of a previous resistance became already a support, but the market now kept rising, and now instead of reversing exactly at the second attempt of the support, the market just kept falling down, breaking out from that level of a support. Not only that, but even that level of a resistance right here at, let me just see, at 1.303. So pound USD is still falling and breaking out from that level of a previous resistance. Of course, why is that happening? Because also based on the weekly chart, we still have right here, of course, that level of a broken key level of a resistance trend line, as we can see, and the market right now is indeed going toward that level of a previous resistance trend line to create, of course, a new support trend line. And of course, if we look at the left side, we can see clearly that we had right here a previous level of a real support at 1.288, which means the pound USD will continue to fall. First of all, it will retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, plus respect that level of a previous support. So all in all, pound USD is to the fall. Now, where exactly we can continue shorting this pair? Now, let me just draw the line again, because we need to get back to this part. Exactly. Now, let's go to the daily chart. Now, as you can see, on daily chart, we had right here, of course, the real level of a resistance, number 1, number 2, and then here the bullish breakout. Now, let me just now zoom in, and again, I am on the daily chart. So right here, of course, we have the real level of a support, a fake breakout, and then a real level of a support, and then the bearish breakout. Now, that level of a resistance has already been respected. And that means that the market right now has indeed made a bearish breakout from that level of a support at 1.304. And right now it's going to continue the fall after retesting the broken level of a resistance and breaking out from that level of a support. So again, all in all, that says that the pound USD will surely continue the fall. Now back to the 4-hour time frame. So right now, of course, I am on the 4-hour time frame. For those who complain about not seeing the time frame, this is, of course, my friends, the 4-hour time frame. So now what we can see right now is indeed a broken level of a real support, exactly right here at 1.305. Now pay attention. Now here, of course, we have the real level of a support, which indeed has been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle. Now if we scroll to the left side, we can see another real level of a support has also been broken out from, but more importantly is that level of a resistance. That cannot be ignored, and most likely right now, if the pound USD will continue the rise, it will most likely continue the rise till it reach the same level of a resistance. I would like to show it to you like this exactly. So right here, of course, we have the nearest level of a real resistance to that bearish breakout candle, and that means that if we check even the broken level of a support trend line, as we can see like this, So right here, of course, we have a real level of a support a trend line, which indeed has been broken out from after 4 attempts. This is the bearish breakout candle. So there is a good chance that the pound USD will continue the rise to reach, first of all, the retest of the broken level of a support trend line, plus respecting the previous level of a resistance. So that means that we can short the pound USD exactly at 1.305. Now, for the take profit level, which is really important part, we cannot really just select random levels. Now, let's just seek the help of Fibonacci to find the best level of take profit level. So as we can see right now, the market is indeed reversing at 50 Fibonacci 50. However, after reversing from our sell level, most likely it will continue to fall towards Fibonacci 61.8. So that has got to be our take profit level, which actually complies with our strategy, because that was, of course, right here the nearest level of a resistance to that level of a support. So meaning we can actually look for around 100 and I would say roughly 120 pips of profit with this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance right here at 1.310, which means we are looking for at least a safe zone of around 48 pips against 120 pips of profit. And there goes the deal, my friends, on the pound USD. Again, guys, I'm doing here the best I can to help everybody to actually make good profits with our signals. And of course, you can check our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. It's very important to trade with the Xtreme Trader team and be part of it. Of course, this is completely free of charge. You can just simply join directly and be part of the group. You can just simply look it up here, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just make it simple and just check the description below of this video to join instantly the channel. So again, my friends, remember that this is just a forex signal. It's not a financial advice. It's not promising any profits. In the end, a signal is just a signal. It's subjective, of course, to fail. We of course had many signals which has failed, but of course many of them are actually winning they are winners. Anyway, I really hope this one is gonna win, and hopefully we can make good profits with it. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.